Good morning, sixth graders. I just wanted to give you a little video update on where I've been. Um, so, Last week Friday, my wife uh, started having like a bad cold symptoms. She had a really runny nose and a slight fever, which is not unusual for a cold. But since we are dealing with COVID this year, every cold, could potentially be COVID because a lot of the symptoms are similar. And so we went ahead and she got a COVID test done on Friday. It came back negative. It was just a bad cold. Um, we got those results on Monday night. However, one of my children, my 7-year-old, kind of caught that cold. And so, in order for us all to go back to school, my wife's the teacher, but I have two kids in school. Um, he also had to get a negative COVID test. And so we are currently waiting for his test results to come back, and that can take a couple days. And so that's why I haven't been in school this week. I got an update from Mrs. Vanderborg yesterday about how things were going. Hopefully, things went well on Monday also with Mr. Champ. But she told me that you guys almost got done with the video. And so I'm hoping that the guest teachers were stopping it and helping you answer the questions. And so what I would like you to do today is to just finish watching that video and answering the last couple of questions. She said that you guys were at 47 minutes and 31 seconds, and I've got that on the Google slide here. So that means you only have like 7 minutes left of this video. So if you are unsure how to get to the video, I have put a link to it in Schoology. So if you go to the Earth Science page for your class, okay, in Schoology, in the Week 8 folder, which is down here, there is a link to the video. And this is going to take you to the PBS website where you should be able to stream the video on your iPad, okay? I had put this on here earlier in the week for people that are learning from home. The worksheet is also here, and that is where you're going to submit this when you are finished. To get into the video, you should be able to just click on it. It's obviously going to look a little bit different on your iPad. I'm using the website. You may need to open it in Safari. So if it does not pop up right away on your iPad on your Schoology, or in Schoology with your iPad, remember in the bottom corner there's an arrow to open it in Safari. And I'm getting that message here on my computer. So I'm going to hit this arrow up here. It's going to send me to Google Chrome. You may have to click yes to get to the PBS station. And this should bring you right to the video. The little white dot here, if you drag that across, you should be able to get that to the area where you were last watching. So you guys were at about 47 minutes. And so drag that over there and then watch the rest of the video and answer the last couple of questions. Just a reminder, I do want you to turn this into Schoology, okay? You should always be looking at the daily slides on Wednesdays. Usually I will kind of give you an idea of what you need to do before you leave on Tuesday, but obviously this week I was not there. Ms. V also told me that you said you never have work on Wednesdays, which you were lying when you said that. Maybe not intentionally. A lot of classes you may not have work, but I know for my class last week you had a scavenger hunt from Google Earth that you were supposed to do on Wednesday. Some of you did it, some of you didn't. And so when I get that graded, it's going to be missing today. Okay, so make sure you're doing your work. Make sure you're checking the daily slides. You can see the daily slides always in Schoology. So if you look at your Schoology page for science, the first thing on the list is the daily slides. Those are the slides that I put up on the screen at the beginning of class every day, and that's what is going to tell you what we are doing. I do try and remember to update the 601 weekly slides, but sometimes I forget because you are my only class of sixth graders, and so sometimes I forget to do that. But the daily slides are always here for you to look at and see what you need to do. Okay? I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, I will have Google Meets at 11:30 and 2:30 like normal. I will send out the links in a class update with this video. So let me know if you have any questions. Send me a Schoology message if you don't want to talk to me or if you've got other things going on during those times, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a good day.